Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL WADINA binti AMRAN. My student ID is 2023115567. So in this video, I would like to show you how to plot the solid using a Maple software.
Okay, for question number 1, plot the solid that lies between the plane z equal to 4 and the cone z equal to square root x power of 2 plus y power of 2. And then to begin with, we will start the command, we will start and then insert the equation z equal to square root x power of 2 plus y power of 2 and z equal to 4, and then plot the 3D in bracket z and then the range of x and y, which are negative 2 until 2, and then we get the solid. And then we need to find the cones. So the cones common, which are plot 3D, and then we get the and in bracket we insert the rho, theta and square and pi over 4, and then which rho, the range is 0 until 4 second pi over 4, and then the theta, the range of theta is negative pi until pi. So and then the coordinates are equal to spherical, and then we get the cone shape like this. And then we need to plot the planes. So in order to plot a plane, we need to use the command plot 3D in bracket 4 second p theta p, and then for the range is theta equal to negative pi until pi, and p equal to 0 until pi over 4, and so the coordinate is spherical, and then we get this solid. And then since the question asks to plot the solid that lies between the plane z equal to 4 and the cone z equal to square root x power of 2 plus y, and then we can use the command plots display bracket cones and cones comma plane as a viewpoints circle left. So we get this solid. Alright, move on to question number 2. The question asks to plot the solid that lies between the sphere x power of 2 plus y power of 2 plus z power of 2 equal to 9, and the cone z equal to square root x power of 2 plus y power of 2. So same like question number 1, we need to start the command with the restart and then insert the equation z equal to square root x power of 2 plus y power of 2, and then we state the width floats command, and then we can make a solid, a cone solid, which are the command is plot 3D in bracket, and then we have rho, theta and rho, theta and pi over 4, and then which are the range for rho equal to 0 until 4 second pi over 4, and then for the theta 0 until 2 pi. Like always, we still need to use the coordinate spherical, and then we can get this solid. And then we need to find the sphere solid. So the command which is sphere plot 3D in bracket 3 comma the range for theta is theta equal to 0 until 2 pi, and the range for phi equal to 0 until pi. Like always, use the coordinates spherical, and then we get the sphere shape solid. And then we need to plot all the two together, since the question asks to find to plot the solid lies between the sphere and the cones. Then we use the command plots display in bracket cones sphere viewpoints equal to circle left, and we get this shapes, this solid. Okay, next question number 3, plot the solid that is inside this hemisphere z equal to in square root 36 minus x power of 2 minus y power of 2 outside the cylinder x power of 2 plus y power of 2 equal to 16 and above the xy plane. So always the first command we restart, and then we use the weights plots in order to plot the 3D diagram. So we need to find this hemisphere, which are the command for hemisphere is sphere plot in bracket 6, and then the range of theta equal to 0 until 2 pi, and p equal to 0 until pi over 2. So the 6 we get here from the equation, which are 36. We need to square root the 36, and then we get 6. Then we get this solid, this hemisphere shapes. And then we need to find the cylinder, and so command for the cylinder is cylinder plot in bracket 4, theta equal to 0 until 2 pi, and z equal to 0 until 6. So we get 4 from the equation. It gives 16, so square root of the 16 equal to 4. And then we get this shape, this cylinder. And then since the question wants us to plot the solid inside the hemisphere, outside the cylinder, and above the xy plane, and then we can get this by plot display hemisphere cylinder viewpoint equal to circle left, and then we get this solid. Alright, last but not least, question number 4. Plot the solid bounded by the hemisphere z equal to square root 25 minus x power of 2 minus y power of 2, and the paraboloid z equal to x power of 2 plus y power of 2. First, like always, use the restart command, and then we plot, and then we need to find the range for the p, like this calculation, and we get this. And then we need to plot the paraboloid by using command plot 3D, rho, theta, and phi. And then we need the range for theta is negative pi until phi, and the range for p, the calculation that we get before, until pi over 2. And then we need to use the coordinate equal to spherical, and then we get this solid. After that, we need to plot the hemisphere. Then in order to plot the hemisphere, we need to use plot 3D in bracket. We have 5 we get from the equation, and then we have theta and p, which are the range for theta is negative pi until pi, and the range for p equal to 0 until the calculation that we get from the above. Then we use the coordinate spherical, and then we get these shapes, this solid. After that, since the question wants us to plot the solid bounded by hemisphere and paraboloid, so we need to display paraboloid, hemisphere, scaling, constraint, and then we get these shapes, this solid.